Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and Warzone just got released, and you are looking right now where you can find your in-game stats, your KD and other stats. First, you want to make sure to click on barracks, then 4 different options appear: progression, challenges, customize, and stats. Click on stats, go to the leaderboards, and now you have different options. You see your multiplayer stats on the top left. If you open this tab, then your zombies stats. And if you scroll down, you can see your Warzone stats. First, those 4 stats appear, and then you can go deeper into all these 3 different game modes. To see your KD for example, Resurgence, click on Resurgent, and then you have 6 different options again: career, eliminations, placements, critical damage, objectives, and game modes. We want to go on eliminations, and now you can switch between friends only or the whole leaderboard. Then you have different stats right here. So eliminations in total over all games, then the deaths, the ratio, so here's your KD, then your highest streak, and the average kills per game. Then you can just go over to placements, to your critical damages, and your objectives. The same applies for all the other 2 game modes. Do the same, go to eliminations, and now you have your KD for Battle Royale. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have problems to hear steps in Warzone, click on this video right now and it will get fixed in a few seconds.